The 10 most expensive private jets in the world. 10. Qatar Emiri Flights Boeing 777-300ER, total cost $100 million. 9. Donald Trump's Boeing 757, total cost $100 million. 8. Tyler Perry's Gulfstream 3, total cost $125 million. 7. Joseph Lau's Boeing 747-8I VIP, total cost $153 million. 6. Chelsea FC owner Roman Abramovich's Boeing 767-33A-ER, total cost $170 million. 5. Prince Al Walid bin Talal's Boeing 747-400, total cost $220 million. 4. The Sultan of Brunei's Boeing 747-430, total cost $100 million and an additional $133 million for VIP interior. 3. Russian billionaire Alisher Usmanov's Airbus A340-300, total cost $350 million. 2. Saudi Prince Al Walid's Airbus A380, total cost €300 million. 1. U.S. Air Force One Boeing 747